Hey there.
Straight
Non, curling le straight. Straight like that. Tellement de curl, il y a pas besoin de faire curl ça maintenant fait mon.
Look at that.
I'm going to
Kind of look pretty.
premiere. A gente dá tocheira de manja, pô.
What you put your hair, young lady?
I'm gonna curl it. It's so fun. And some of it's loose in the front.
So pretty.
I love it.
Yeah. What happened to you? You look pretty. You in love?
There was a curl in your
She's
face.
glowing.
You going? No, you're getting some news also.
No.
Yes.
Becca, just let it out. Just say it
I
like
never
it
used to
is.
have to say.
Oh, man. Why can't be a woman?
No.
I'm gonna stop really thank you.
Mais ça m'a fait me gâter. Québécois de là-bas.
Ils
Je
collent
dis de son
ensemble?
affaire.
Ils collent ensemble? Oh my God.
La YouTube va comprendre. Quand il y a la venue, donc un petit peu de YouTube, non?
No, café la semana velha? What you mean? Paga YouTuber.
Oui, il a pour changer d'IP pour faire bibo. Faut pas te marcher dans la rue? Hein? Comment pas te balai? Balai pour me faire vidéo comme la couille, je m'en. Il faut te me faire. It's so pretty.
Ooh, that is pretty.
Essa video tá long?
No, but stop it.
Okay, I'm good.
Ooh, that's beautiful. Hey guys, I am ready. Mwen prêt, okay? Mwen fè make-up mwen. Colin hairstylist hooked me up with this beautiful curl. Belle curls ayo, c'est Colin qui fait pour moi.
Turn around again. Okay, get into it. Y'all see her?
Yes, et puis mwen prêt. All right. Hey there. Hey, you there. Mes prescriptions, mes médicaments. Hey there. Hey there. Hey, you there. Mes prescriptions, mes médicaments. Moi retourner à quelle dose pour vin prendre dose par là. Petite dose aujourd'hui, c'est une petite dose glam up for a movie premiere. Ranger quoi, faire quoi belle. Pour aller dans movie premiere, j'en vois un titre là. J'en ai déjà connais. Introduction moi vraiment short. Ma pote va me faire. Ooh, that looks better. Jeez, the closer I get, the better it gets. Ah, ooh, mamacita, fuego. I'm a mess, guys. I've been telling y'all I'm a mess. I don't want to believe me. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi, Ato. How you doing? I'm good. How are you? Little ménagerie. So, hi. I'm good. How are you?
SIRAC 305. I'll let your boy out of here.
SIRAC.
Yes.
Well, have you easy along? Now at your girl.
Ok, papou.
Moi, je joue une fête là. Palestina, oui.
Three. And that's when you clap and make some noise for me because I'm coming up. All right. Ladies and gents, welcome officially to Loyalty. I want you guys to give it up for yourselves because y'all look so amazing. Beautiful cast. I want you guys to clap it up before anything for the cast. For the cast. And also, we have one of our, oh my bad ass. Chris, listen, we have one of our celebrity guests for tonight. I want you guys to give it up for the one and only Kevin Little. Hallowed be thy Okay, you guys are showing off now.
Pour là, avant que même commencer, m'a dit nous que nous toutes très belles. Vraiment content, excité et me connais que
Loyauté.
Yeah.
Moi, je voulais rappeler nous encore une fois que ça nous va regarder, c'est une introduction à une saison qui a 10 épisodes là-dedans. Ça veut dire qui ça? Ça veut dire que ça nous va regarder, c'est camper, il va camper chaque grand personnage.
Finalement.
Et parmi eux, it's an introduction to all the cast. So you guys have an idea, and you watch the show, you watch what you watch. All right? Liv. Yes, sir. Mwen. Of course, Mwen déjà.
Now, l'autre qui n'a pas passé pour les
Wow, that's crazy. I can't believe Travis did that. Ok, vamos ficar de mundo lá. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Loyalty!
And then that's it. Okay guys, so pour ça m'te pensé? Well, c'est pas tellement un movie première, c'était pour un show qui est Loyalty, produced by Robinson Lovens. Show I get bully na Amazon. So we call it a series. It's a series, right? And it's going to be on Amazon. And we basically watched the first 2 episodes, or just like the beginning of things to get a feel for it. And I have to admit, it was nice. You know, I like it. Movie a gen pile suspense. Li gen an pile question kap pase nan tête ou ke ou vle konnen sa ki pral pase. Comment li pral pase? Comment y a résoudre tel problème? Vous comprenez? Et parce que c'est une pi bon bagay yon movie ka gen pour li faire pi intéressé de li. You know, suspense. And this series has a lot of suspense. So I actually can't wait to watch it. I can return from that. Yeah. What else? I don't know. You have to see for yourself. Makon sa wom tin wako se we wono ta wen. Am I a bad movie critic? I'm a bad one, aren't I? Whatever. Anyways, mbad bin la wom fe tout sa. This just been la wom di nou. Meti vlog la, meti experience la. Et ite bien passé. Nothing else. Encore. Anyways, thank you for watching. Merci deske ou gade tout video sa. Rete branché pour wè plus l'autre belle bagay. Et spécialement pour Christmas sa. Pral game bagay. So, rete branché. What are my nails? I got them done today. Do you like my nails? Look, it's a heart. It's a heart. It's a heart. I heart you. Wait. Oh, I can do it. Oh, there it is. Pow, pow, pow. It's my heart. Can you feel my heart beating? Yeah. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye. 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 Ooh, I like it here. Mamacita. Fuego.